Bonsoir Hana. So this is lesson 17, 17 sur 22, le jeudi 2 avril. Les verbes en IR. So we have different groups. The first group, ion verbs. The ion verbs means like parler, chanter, danser, etc. So that they end with E, ES, EONS, EZ, ENT. But these ion verbs, they belong to the second group. So let's explain something. The second group has ion verbs, but it's not all of them, just some of them. So the most common is the verb finir, to finish. Je finis, so we drop the IR and we add IS, IS, IT, ISSONS, ISSEZ, ISSENT. Je finis, tu finis, il finit, nous finissons, vous finissez, ils finissent. And there is a list of verbs and IR. So we don't, let's not learn all of them, just a few. Okay. And they all behave the same like that. Grandir, grossir, maigrir. That is not correct. Guérir, fleurir, réfléchir, agir, applaudir, atterrir, avertir, bâtir, choisir, démolir, définir, obéir, fournir, nourrir, rafraîchir, pourrir, remplir, réunir, ralentir, réussir, vieillir, investir, salir. But we also have ion verbs that belongs to the third group, and they're going to have a different behavior, different pattern. Let's say partir. Partir is to leave. So I drop this TIR, and I'm going to end up with par, PAR, and I add SST. Partons, we keep the T with new one, and vous and il plural. So it's going to be je pars, tu pars, il, elle, on part, with a T. Nous partons, vous partez, ils partent. Okay. So in this group we can add mentir, to lie, dormir, to sleep, servir, to serve, sentir, to feel or to smell, sortir, to leave or exit. Okay? So, we also have another group ending in IR. They don't belong to the second group, but the third group. And we have ouvrir, offrir, découvrir, souffrir, couvrir. Ouvre, it's going to have the same behavior as the ion verbs. So, j'ouvre, tu ouvres, il ouvre, nous ouvrons, vous ouvrez, ils ouvrent, elles ouvrent. Same endings as the first group. ES, EONS, EZ, ENT. And we have verbs like tenir, to hold, venir, to come, and they are derivatives. So we're going to have, let's say, venir, je viens, tu viens, il, elle, on vient, nous venons, vous venez, ils viennent. Je tiens, tu tiens, il tient, nous tenons, vous tenez, il tient. So it's to come and to hold. Okay. Here are a few other common verbs that follow the same conjugation pattern, like revenir, the same as venir, obtenir, tenir, devenir, prévenir, appartenir, maintenir et soutenir. Okay. Let's work more on the second group and the third group. Tu passes un très bon week-end, Hana, et à la semaine prochaine, à mardi prochain. Okay? So you take care. À bientôt.